The Craftex CX Series benchtop 13-inch planer features a powerful 2-horsepower motor and a 6-row helical style cutterhead. Tackle any species of wood, 13 inches wide and 6 inches thick, and change speeds from fast to slow in a second. The 4-post threaded housing minimizes snipe, and each full rotation of the knob adjusts the planer 1/16 of an inch for added precision. The depth of cut indicator allows you to know how much material you are removing with each pass to allow for optimum operations. Get the same finishing dimensions without needing to measure your board, thanks to built-in stop depth, allowing you to instantly set your desired height for the most common thicknesses, from 1/8 of an inch right up to 1/3 of an inch. With a built-in dust collection port, Helical Style Cutterhead, 13-inch capacity folding tables, and a powerful 2-horsepower motor, this planer will be a true workhorse in your workshop. Backed by a 3-year warranty and Canada's largest parts department, only at Busy Bee Tools.